Hey folks, Turbine Guy coming back at you with something everybody should obviously maintain. Turns out the dryer vent come in here, up and over and across, through here into the new addition, and outside is plugged up. This was coming right out of the dryer and into the next corner right here, where we can just see everything. Everything is super plugged. Now, instead of trying to clean all this junk up, we just decided that we would buy ourselves a bunch of brand new parts. Well, we got her done. The system's in all the way outside with excellent airflow. That lint and stuff in here was so wet, soaking wet, it was never really a fire hazard, but yours could be. Turbine Guy signing up.